Nursing application for 2026-2027 academic year is officially open. So today the Ministry of Health communicated that it has opened for fresh application and gave 5th June 2026 as the deadline. Take note of the deadline is 5th June 2026. So if you are watching this video in 2026, the deadline for nursing application is 5th June 2026. But if you are watching this video in 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030 and beyond, I'm going to show you how to make payment. I've already done a video on how to make payment and register. Yes, so I'm going to update the payment process. That's why I'm making this video. So let's go straight to the point. The application fee is 150 cedis, as you can see on your screen. 150 cedis. Yes, so before you start, you make sure that you have your 150 cedis. If you already done the payment, you can click on the already paid login, and when you log in, this interface will open to you where you have to enter your PIN and then your serial number. So after payment, you'll receive a PIN and a serial number. Yes, but if you are yet to make payment, you are going to use make payment and register. Make payment and register. As I earlier on said, I've already done a video on how to make the payment and register, so I'll put it under this video so that you can watch. Okay, so let's go straight. So you click on make payment and register. Okay, so if you are doing the payment for someone, if you are not the candidate, if you are watching this video and you are not the candidate, but you want to do the payment for someone, make sure that you put the applicant's name here. Make sure that you put the applicant's name here. You know, some people, because they are doing the payment, they will put their name here. If you put your name on this side, when the application opens, the system will pick your name automatically. So it means that you are the one who is going to the school. So some people have been making these mistakes, and then once it happens like that, you've wasted the forms and there's no way you can get your money back. Yeah, so please make sure that you put the applicant's name here and not your name. That's why they've indicated it here. Let's read it. Please enter your surname and other name exactly as appear on your official certificate. Yes, so the applicant certificate. Once submitted, your surname and other names cannot be changed. Ensure that your name match your certificate before pressing the pay button. This is the pay button that they are talking about. Yes, so I hope we all understand what I'm saying, so that you understood what I'm saying, so that you don't make this mistake. Okay, so let's start. So you enter your surname first. So let's say Mary Ankuma, you enter Ankuma as a surname, and then the other name, which is the first name, you enter the Mary here. You enter a valid email address. Enter a valid email address here, and then you enter the mobile money number that you are going to use to make the payment. Enter the mobile money number that you are going to use to make the payment. That's not the number you're going to use to make the payment. Don't enter the number that you're going to use for the payment, because this number too will be recorded automatically, and then you can't change it when it gets to the payment process. So once you are done with this side, you click on pay 150 cedis. Pay 150 cedis. Okay, pay 150 cedis. So as soon as you click on pay 150 cedis, this interface will open for you, and it will give you an invoice. It will give you an invoice number, and then the summary of the 150 cedis. The summary of the 150 cedis. Okay, so you click on pay 150 cedis. Pay 150 cedis. So when you click on pay 150 cedis, another interface will open for you. Would you like to log in or continue as guest? In this case, we are going to continue as guest. So you click on continue as guest. Yes, you are going to click on continue as guest. So you click on continue as guest. Now, when you click on continue as guest, another interface will open for you to choose a method of payment method. Okay, so if you are paying via bank, mobile money, scan to pay with 222 hash pay at bank, you choose and then you click on continue. So in my case, I'm going to pay with mobile money, so I will select mobile money. Yes, if you're going to pay at the bank, you select pay at bank. If you are going to scan to pay, you do that. With card, you do that. Okay, so I know majority will be paying with mobile money, so you select mobile money and then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, now then it will also ask you to select either MTN, whether Vodafone or Airtel Tigo. I'm making the payment with MTN because when I was doing the registration, I provided MTN number. Okay, so I'm making payment with MTN. So you select that one too, and then you click on continue. Now automatically the number that I told you will be here. The number will pop up here for you to confirm. Yes, so once you confirm the number and the number is correct, you click on continue. Okay, so when you click on continue, it will tell you that your number is ending. This my number is ending with 8075. So it will tell you that your number is ending with this, and then total amount is 150 cedis. Do you want to make payments? You say yes, and then you click on pay 150 cedis. So as soon as you click on pay 150 cedis, there will be a prompt on your phone. You see here is saying that waiting for payment confirmation. So there will be a prompt on your phone, so you just have to enter your pin. So to complete payment, you will receive a prompt to enter your pin to confirm this transaction. So you just have to enter your pin, and then once you enter your pin, it will then tell you that payment successful, receipt for the transaction has been sent to your mail. Once you enter your pin correctly and everything is okay, it will tell you that now once you are done with the payment, it will tell you to close this window. So as soon as you click on the close, the payment receipt, you receive the payment receipt with the invoice number and the PIN number. And please take note, as soon as you receive this receipt, take a screenshot. Though it will be sent to your mail and you receive an SMS as well, take a screenshot because it contains your PIN and your serial number. Once you mistakenly lose this invoice, there's no way, you have to buy another one again. So please take notes and then take a screenshot as soon as you receive it. Once you've taken a screenshot, you click on login, continue to log in. So when you click on it, it will ask you to enter the PIN and the serial number that you just took a screenshot, and then you enter your PIN and then your serial number, you submit, and then you start the admission process. As I said earlier on, I've already done a video on the admission process. I've done extensive video on the admission process, the do's and the don'ts, everything. I'll post the link under this video for you to also watch. But this one is just for the payment process. And please take note, the admission requirement is still the same. A1 to C6, A1 to C6. You can't apply with nursing training diploma with D7, E8 or F9. You can do that with HAC or NAC, but you can't do that with diploma. So please take note, it's A1 to C6. And please, you can't replace science with social studies. No, those who are applying with general arts and home economics, you can't replace science with social studies. The core subjects are constant. They are already, when you start the admission process, the registration, the electives, you have to select your best 3 elective, but the core is there. You will just enter the grade that you got. So it's English, mathematics and science. You can't replace science with social studies. So please take note of that. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel. If you have any issue concerning the registration, or you want me to do the registration for you, you can send me a mail to dearkwame2025@gmail.com, dearkwame25@gmail.com. I will not charge you anything. You just have to subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Goodbye.